The biggest mistake I see on 1 million plus portfolio deals is not using the wrong broker, it's using the right broker in the wrong way. On our 15 portfolio case, here is how we stayed involved so the deal completed rather than just collapsing at the last hurdle. Step 1, the buyer came to us early before heads of terms were locked and before fees were spent. We did the initial review, price versus surveyor value, rent roll and stress test, sellers, emotional position on the 3 houses, lender appetite for overall structure. Now, step 2, once we had a structure that looked fundable, the buyer looped us into the conversation with the seller. Now, the magic happens when the broker is in the room explaining the structure to both sides, not just firing off an application in the background. We explained to the seller how their first charge would work, reassured them they were not losing their 3 houses, laid out the steps, timelines, and what each party could expect. We packaged the case for lenders with all the context before serious money was actually spent. By the time valuations and legals were underway, everyone understood the structure, the security, the exit. If your broker is just sending forms and chasing documents, you do not have a portfolio broker, you have an admin assistant. To use a portfolio broker properly, bring them in early, let them speak to both buyers and the sellers. Let them speak to the real decision makers at lenders. Use them to sense check structure before you spend. Now, if you want that level of involvement on your next portfolio purchase or sale, click the link in the description and request a portfolio fundability review. We'll tell you if, how, and maybe if we can add value before you commit to your next deal.